What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're just going to be announcing the Lasfit LED giveaway winner. This was a cool giveaway for anybody. Like I had told you guys on that video, it was for literally any car. So whoever entered, thank you. Let's go ahead and watch the video and see who won. Now that I'm back home, we're going to go ahead and pick the winner for the Lasfit LEDs. Like I had stated many times, you guys should have entered because it was for any vehicle. You didn't even have to have a Tacoma. So I thought that was pretty cool. Lasfit actually hit me up for that video to make it for you guys. So I said okay, that way I can, you know, provide something for you guys in return for being such a great support. We're gonna go ahead and go to my channel really quick, scroll down. Okay, so right here. So if you guys remember this video, 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma headlight LEDs, that's the video that had the LED giveaway. So if you guys watched it, thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and put my phone down now and explain to you something else really quick. So now I'm on Lasfit's channel. So I saw everybody that did enter correctly. So of course, thank you each and every one of you guys that did enter correctly. It was a really easy giveaway. I just had you guys go check out their channel, check out their most recent video, and post, you know, Jesse Rizo sent me. That's really the easiest thing you can ever do to win a $60–70 part. So cool for everybody that entered. So I already got your guys' name over here on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and copy everybody that actually entered correctly. So there you go, I copied it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and paste it here. Alright, so all your guys' name that entered correctly, I know I keep repeating it, you guys are all there. So on 3, we're gonna go ahead and pick a winner. Just remember, this is a US only giveaway. So if you send me your address and it's not from US, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna pick you. Also, another thing, you only have 2 weeks to email me back. If you don't email me in 2 weeks, I'm gonna go ahead and redo this drawing. So let's go ahead and pick a winner. Nice. Alright, James Kamey. Alright, so there you are. There's your comment. You did everything correctly as I wanted. Like I said, all you had to do was that. So if you can, my email will be in the description box below. Go ahead and email me. Make sure you're from the US only, because Lasfit will only send their product to a US only person. Congrats to you, and as always, there will be more giveaways. Alright, once again, thank each and every one of you guys. If you guys didn't win today, don't be discouraged, because there's always going to be a lot more giveaways for you guys. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.